Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. We're doing another tech video and unboxing featuring Jackery products, so saktong-sakto. For sa panahon ngayon, uso ang brownout, blackout sa mga upcoming typhoons, no? Minsan namamatay tayo ng kuryente. And also, we need a backup power station sa ating mga bahay, especially when we are traveling. No? May mga tao dyan na mahilig mag-camping and also do outdoor activities. Kailangan ng power whenever they go. So, ito ang unbox natin. Medyo malaki to. This is the Jackery Solar Generator. This is a Jackery Explorer 300 Plus portable power station from Jackery Philippines. This is worth 20,000 pesos. But sa iba, I think some stores selling this at 16,000. Nag-check ako, nag-google ako. Shopee, it's around 20,000. And then sa Abenson, 16,000. Yun nga lang, paubos na lang stocks. So good luck sa inyo. And if ever you saw one online sa Jackery Philippines Shopee, go get it. Or pag na-spot nyo sa Abenson, go get it na rin din. So ito siya, Jackery Explorer 300 Plus portable power station. You can charge it sa kuryente, sa kotse, and also sa solar energy, no? You can buy a separate solar panel. So before I unbox this, no, let's do a tech rundown of the features and tech features of this Jackery Explorer 300 Plus. You can carry it anywhere. Actually, ayun, kaya-kaya ko siyang buhatin, no? Kung kasya lang to sa backpack, gagawin ko, no? But maganda, meron kayong parang hinihilang parang cart if you want to put this if you're camping or doing an events, no? You can charge your drones, laptop, cameras, camera batteries, almost everything. Kahit nga computer or laptop, kayang-kaya niyang i-charge. Alright, so gawin na natin to, no? Tech rundown and then unboxing. Alright, Jackery Explorer 300 Plus, let's do this. Alright guys, ito na yung tech specs rundown ni Jackery Explorer 300 Plus portable power station from Jackery Philippines. For the battery specs, it's 288 watts na merong management system na BMS over voltage protection, short circuit protection, at gumagamit siya ng lithium iron phosphate O4 na yung kanyang cell chemistry. Actually, lithium iron phosphate pala yun. Kala ko Life PO4 yung binabasa ko dati. So, meron siyang 3,000 cycles to 80% plus capacity. It means that 3,000 cycles siya bago siya maubos yung kanyang battery, no? 3,000 is very mahaba. Abutin ka ng ilang taon yan, di ba? At sa mga ports, very interesting na madami siyang mga ports. Meron siyang AC output na 220 volts at 60 Hz, 300 watts. Meron siyang carport na merong specs sa 12 volts is equal to 10 amperes. USB-A port na 15 watts, maximum is 5 volts is equal to 3 amperes. May AC input din siya na 100 volts, 60 Hz, 15 ampere maximum. May USB Type-C output siya na 100 watts maximum. At ito yung pang-charge niya. At for the charging mode niya, charge mode niya is AC input is 12 to 27 volts equals to 5 ampere max, 100 watts maximum. If you don't understand all of this, I think suggest ko read the manuals and also Google nyo, no? May AI naman tayo sa Google to understand all of the battery specs na to, no? At for the body specs naman niya, meron siyang weight na 3.75 kilos. Medyo magaan pa to, no? Actually, yung mga backpack ko nga, pag nag-travel ako, it's 7 kilos to 10 kilos, eh. And meron siyang height na 6.6 inches. Yung haba niya, yung length is 9.21 inches. For the charging time, AC adapter is 2 hours. Car adapter is 5.5 hours ang charging time niya. At pag solar panel naman is 9.6 hours. So, hindi ko nakita yung specs nito for the solar charging, but I think it's still the same with other Jackery products, no? Yung solar panel is meron siyang adapter to USB Type-C to charge directly dito sa power station na to. So, meron siyang operating usage temperature 14 up to 113 Fahrenheit. That's negative 10 to 45 Celsius. So, kahit medyo malamig or mainit, kayang-kaya pa rin niya. At for the SRP na mention ko kanina, it's 20,399. I saw it in Shopee page ni Jackery Philippines. But nakita ko sa Abenson selling it around 16,000. Medyo nagsasale na si Abenson, no? So, ayun. So, okay na intindihan natin yung battery specs nito, no? At all of the tech specs ni Jackery Explorer 300 Plus. Let's do the unboxing at i-testing na rin din natin ito. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, ito na yung Jackery Explorer 300 Plus. Okay naman siya, hindi naman siya ganun siya mabigat. It's 3 point something kilos. So okay siya, buti may hawakan. Very nice, no? Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng kanyang feature for this gadget na to, no? So hindi ko pa to nagagamit at ngayon ko pa lang to bubuting-tingin. At makikita natin, no? There's a parang carport charger. USB Type A, Type C, 15 watts, 100 watts in and out. Ito siya. Merong buttons dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ito din. Hindi ko alam. Meron charging dito. Another for the light. It's a button pala. It's a button. I think for buttons to, no? If you're going to use some of this output, no? Meron siyang flashlight na rin din for travel. Wala na siyang anything here. Ito pala sa gilid, may saksakan siya dito. This for charging yung kanyang kasamang cable, no? Napakakapal ng cable niya, no? Ito yung charging niya, for sure. Ito yun. Para mas mabilis. And then, here, wala dito. Sa likod, wala. Kasi wala siyang exhaust. Ito pala, parang meron siyang parang exhaust dito. Para nakakahinga yung battery if ever may init. So, hindi siya pwedeng mabasa dito. So, you have to be very, very careful. So paano ba to turn on? Turn on here. May ilaw. And I don't see anything happening. Ayun. Nag-load na siya. It's 100%. Input is 0. Output is 0. Kasi di pala siya nagagamit. At meron siyang Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Kasi you can, connect it with the Jackery app to see its, monitor mo yung health niya. And also, whatever thing you want to do. No? So, I think you can press this. Ito yung ilaw for a flashlight. Isang power level. Yan yata siya ng flashlight eh. Okay, meron siyang blinking for SOS. And yun lang. For emergency. At eto. Hindi ko lang para saan to. No? I think pag eto yata, di tayo nagbasa ng manual eh. Parang it on 99.9 hours. I think it's for the battery health. Oh, I guess indicator, no? Di tayo nagbasa ng manual eh. So, ito. It's for the, some of the indicators to turn it on, to read the indicators. Ayan. More battery health thing. Sana merong way to turn off the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth kasi, di ba? Nakakaubos din ng energy rin din yan eh. So, try natin mag-charge. You can charge your laptop here. Yung mga batteries ng camera nyo, pwede din kasi nakasaksakan siya eh. And Type C and Type A pwede. And for this, for the carport, no? Kasi hindi naman ako nag-charge sa kotse. So, sa mga nakakaintindi dyan, you can use this to charge this sa kotse ninyo habang umaandar. Pwede rin din. And also for solar panels, I think it's here to get charging from the solar panels. And also, kung nasa bahay ka, you can use it charging it here para diretso sa kuryente. Kasi sobrang laki ng battery na ito. No? You can charge everything. So, try natin mag-charge tayo ulit. Wait lang, kuha tayo ng samples natin. So, here, I got my Magic V3. Ginamit ko ito sa isang charging test natin. It's 9%. So, dito tayo sa 15 watts, for example. Type C tayo. And then, saksak natin. Charging. Is it charging? Hindi siya charging. Bakit siya? I think you need to press this yata eh. Para mag-charge eh. Ayun, you have to press this pala to activate its charging. So yan, nagka-charge na tayo. Okay, so kailangan daw remain flat. And then let's go to charge another phone, which is my Realme phone. Kuha tayo ng kable. Saksak natin sa another Type C. Type C tayo dito. And then, nakailaw na. And then, Type C. Okay. Charging na rin din. Ayan. And then, syempre, Type A tayo. Kanina, may sample tayong Type A. For example, this one. Type A to. Lagay natin po dito. Ayan. For example, I think I'm going to charge my microphone, charging case. Ayan. Ay, di, ano pala to? Micro USB pala. So, wala akong micro USB. Ba't meron akong ganito? Wait lang. Ito na lang. Type A. Ayan, Type A. And I'll get this charging case ng aking microphone. At charging na rin din siya. So, ayan, ang mga samples natin. And doing the Jackery, it's perfectly fine. Di tayo nakapagawa ng parang battery test on how long it will be charging everything. But for me, the spec is super big, super big. So ngayon, ang natin indicator input is 0, 100% pa rin din tayo, 15 watts, yung output, 20.4 hours of running if I'm going to charge. Mas maganda indicator niya, no? May mga ganun, no? So, naging 16 hours, 17 hours. Parang maganda yung indicator niya. So, paano yun? Just press the button lang pala to get the information. So, okay to for outdoors, for travel, around land travel and sea travel. Air travel, hindi. Hindi mo ito madadala. Mahaharang kayo. Hindi mo nga rin ito ma-check in baggage kasi bawal ang mga batteries sa air travel. So, if you're doing sea travel, makakalusot ba to? And then, yes, if you're, kailangan mo ng charging, if you're doing office work outside or nag-brown out, nag-black out, you can use this for your mobile devices charging, flashlight na rin din. Habang nag-charge siya, you can use the lights, ayan, para may ilaw kayo. Actually, maganda talaga ngayon no, na meron kayong ganitong portable generator system sa bahay. Kasi just in case na magkaroon ng power failure, no, kailangan talaga gamitin nyo. Kahit suggest ko, since this is 3,000 cycles naman suggest ko gamitin nyo siya palagi. Huwag nyo nang i-stack sa bahay. Kasi pag na-stack nyo sa bahay, may mga times na di-discharge siya, nauubos yung battery. So, mangyayari, pag natuyuan siya ng battery, nasisira na siya. So, I suggest use it in a regular basis, kahit once a week, no? Gamitin nyo as a saksakan. Kung wala kayong charger na malapit sa inyo, puro kayo wall socket at you need charging near your couch, for example, use it na rin din. Okay naman din siya That's the purpose of it. Lalo na kung naka-solar panel ka, gawin nyo, no? Charge ito using your solar panels. Kasi sobrang sulit nito. You're getting free energy from the sun and at least hindi ka pa rin makakapag-konsumo ng kuryente sa bahay ninyo. Alright, so maraming salamat kay Jackery Philippines for the review unit. Di tayo nakapag-camping lately kasi nag-out of the country ako. So this unit will be returned na to them. So I think, yeah, you have to target the 16,000 from Abenson. Sobrang sale na rin din siya. And it's okay siya, very portable. No? You can charge your laptop, any gadgets na kailangan na may saksakan. So yun na end on my video here. Thank you so much guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video, vlog, adventure. Sana meron pa tayong mas bigger na power station na ma-test out natin. So as of now, hindi tayo nakapag-travel. But here, at least nagkaroon kayo ng close-up look with the Jackery Explorer 300 Plus Portable Power Station. Alright, kita-kits at see you sa next video.